What is up, guys? It's your bro back with another video and another thing that we got, and the question is, can we smell what the Atlassian is cooking? Now, what we are actually gonna be getting in a few days is the new space creation experience, and this was introduced by yesterday. And it says basically like, hi everybody, as many you know, we tested out a new space creation experience over the past few months. This new experience drastically simplifies the space creation experience by focusing on Confluence core use cases. So the thing is, it's saying instead of having the lists of long templates, this is the thing that we have. Right? This is that long list that is currently there. So you're gonna only have three options: collaboration, knowledge base, and custom. So it will look like this, where you can name your space, choose your icon, and basically where you can manually configure your space, right? So the majority of space templates were rarely ever selected, and much of their default content ended up getting deleted. Yeah, I believe so that this is actually true, because a lot of us just want to create the space. We just want to get rid of the get rid of the default things, and basically that's it. We just want to dive into creating our pages, databases, whiteboards. You know what I'm talking about. So the thing is, what you can actually do is you can configure your space even further, and you can select which features will it have. So you can toggle on and off between the blocks, calendars, analytics, automation, whiteboards, databases, or smart links. Of course, as you can see, that is going to be the step 2 out of 2. And then when you actually create everything, even though if you don't select those space features that matter to you the most, you can do that later when you go to space settings and features later. Right, so that experience, I have this space right here. If I go here, and it's saying to me, manage the space details, of course. Okay, and when you go to the features, in here, in the features, you already have this. So this is something that is actually in here. Ooh. Okay. I think you guys are already recognizing this, and these are the folders. Of course, I don't really have this activated yet, so I believe that this is like the feature that is getting released slowly by Atlassian, which is something that basically Atlassian is doing, unless you're a community leader. When you're a community leader, you get almost the access to all of those features that you can actually test out. So that is the interesting thing, you know. So yeah, if we go back in here, you're gonna see smart link is in here, but I also have the folders. But wait, what happened to the page templates I'm used to? We included the most used page templates: collaboration, which is the project plan, decision page, meeting notes, and knowledge base, how to and troubleshooting article. Now, of course, and as you can see in here, now when you actually, so the templates are not going to be showing on the right side anymore like it used to be like that. So you're going to have this option like all templates in here, and there is this option in here that says templates and import to doc. So that is another thing, and it says few other tweaks besides the changes to the space creation flow. You may notice a number of other changes that make it easier to create and get started using a space. You will be able to create a space directly from the global create button. Okay, that's interesting. So you actually, when you go here, you're going to be able to create the space in here as well. And this is the space overview that was actually going to be updated, and how is it going to look like. Pretty nice, pretty good. And also, finally, we built a custom project tracker connected to Atlas and Jira, so your team can stay on top of the project progress, where you can connect your project management tools, Atlas and Jira. And probably most of you are going to be asking, well, what about the other project management tools as well? Maybe someone is using Monday or something like that, or connecting with your Jira Service Management, where you have the knowledge bases, or where you also have the business projects, but I also want to include some of the documents as well. So all of those things are options in here. But then again, this is going to be the new experience. It's going to be much more simplified, because having to choose a lot of those templates, I don't know why was it in there in the first place, but I believe that Atlassian has its reasons, and I'm glad that the things are getting simplified. When you simplify things and when you just focus on those core features, and the things and the user experience, yeah, I believe that user experience will drastically increase after this change right here. And yeah, that is everything that I wanted to say about this new import space experience that is coming up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.